Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Okay.
Yes, my name is Solis Casiliar, first energy giver. I will process your meat. Okay, first we're going to lavatory to wash your hand. Okay, we're done. Then I will proceed to the dining area. Then, next is change my glove to food glove. Then, serve the food. Okay, ma'am, this is your meal. First, I will put your placemat. Okay. Then I will put your table napkin. Yes. Then, ma'am, are you right hand or left hand?
Right.
Okay. This is your spoon and this is your fork. Then, this is water. Glass of water for hydration. This is rice in rich for carbohydrates. And this is tinolang manok. Is rich of protein.